If you're experiencing a slow installation loop while trying to install Roblox, follow these simple steps to speed up the process. This guide will help you troubleshoot and optimize your installation. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and fast internet connection. A weak connection can slow down the download process. Consider using a wired connection or moving closer to a Wi-Fi router. Step 2. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other downloads. Step 3. Clear temporary files. Clear your computer's temporary files to free up space and improve performance. You can do this by using the disk cleanup tool or manually deleting files in the temp folder. Step 4. Update your system. Make sure your operating system and drivers are up to date. Updates can improve system performance and compatibility, which may help with the installation process. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the installation loop persists, uninstall Roblox completely and then download the latest version from the official website. This can resolve any issues with corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to speed up the installation process for Roblox. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.